Welcome to Madrid. This vibrant city is the heart of Spain. It's a place where history comes alive. Get ready for grand plazas, stunning palaces, and world-class art. Madrid will captivate you with its energy and charm. Let's explore the best of Madrid together. This guide will be your companion. Discover magnificent landmarks, find hidden gems, enjoy delicious food, experience the warmth of Spanish culture. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Madrid. I bet you didn't know that Plaza Mayor is not just a place. It's a living, breathing testament to Madrid's rich history and vibrant culture. Don't forget to subscribe to Urban Odysee for more videos, and don't forget to like and share. Step into Plaza Mayor, a grand square in the heart of Madrid. This bustling square has been a gathering place for centuries. From the moment you set foot here, you can feel the energy and the stories that have unfolded over the years. Imagine the sights and sounds of history. Picture the grand events that have taken place here, the echoes of laughter, the whispers of secrets, and the roars of the crowd. Bullfights, royal celebrations, even trials were held here. The square has witnessed the grandeur of royal processions, the intensity of bullfights, and the solemnity of public trials. Today, Plaza Mayor is full of life. Cafes line the square, musicians entertain the crowds. The square has transformed into a vibrant hub where locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the lively atmosphere. Street performers add to the lively atmosphere. Jugglers, magicians, and dancers captivate audiences with their talents, making every visit to Plaza Mayor a unique experience. Find a table, relax, and soak in the ambiance. The outdoor cafes offer the perfect spot to unwind, sip on a refreshing drink, and watch the world go by. Try a café con leche and watch Madrid go by. This traditional Spanish coffee with its rich and creamy flavor is the perfect companion as you take in the sights and sounds of the square. The waiters, dressed in their crisp uniforms, move gracefully between tables, serving delicious drinks and snacks. The chatter of conversations and the clinking of glasses create a symphony of everyday life. As the sun sets, the square takes on a magical glow. The buildings are bathed in the warm hues of the evening light, and the atmosphere becomes even more enchanting. At night, Plaza Mayor transforms into a different world. The lights twinkle, the air is filled with the sounds of laughter and music, and the square becomes a place of romance and wonder. Don't miss the chance to try some traditional Spanish dishes. From tapas to paella, the cafes around the square offer a culinary journey that will delight your taste buds. Share a meal with friends, toast to new experiences, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Plaza Mayor is not just a destination, it's an experience that captures the essence of Madrid. Whether you're here for the history, the culture, or simply to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere, Plaza Mayor welcomes you with open arms. It's a place where the past and present coexist, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. So, take your time, explore every corner, and let the heart of Madrid leave an indelible mark on your soul. Plaza Mayor is waiting for you. Prepare to be amazed by the Royal Palace of Madrid. This majestic palace is the official residence of the Spanish royal family. It's a symbol of Spain's rich history and power. Step inside and be transported to a world of luxury. Admire the lavishly decorated rooms, marvel at the exquisite art collection. Don't miss the throne room and the armory. The Royal Palace is a must-see for any visitor to Madrid. Section 4. Art Lovers Rejoice. Prado and Reina Sofia Museums. Madrid is an art lover's paradise. The city is brimming with artistic treasures, from its grand architecture to its vibrant street art. But the crown jewels of Madrid's art scene are undoubtedly its world-renowned museums. Among these, the Prado and the Reina Sofia stand out as must-visit destinations for anyone with a passion for art. Two world-renowned museums await, the Prado and the Reina Sofia. These institutions are not just repositories of art, they are gateways to different eras and styles, offering a comprehensive journey through the history of art. Whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or a curious newcomer, these museums have something to captivate your imagination. Get ready for a journey through art history. As you step into these museums, you're not just entering a building, you're embarking on a voyage through time. Each gallery, each painting, and each sculpture tells a story, offering a glimpse into the minds of the artists and the worlds they inhabited. The Prado Museum houses Spanish masters like Goya. This iconic institution is home to one of the finest collections of European art, dating from the 12th to the early 20th century. Among its treasures are works by Francisco Goya, whose paintings capture the essence of Spanish culture and history with unparalleled depth and emotion. Velázquez and El Greco. The Prado's collection also includes masterpieces by Diego Velázquez, whose innovative techniques and keen eye for detail have influenced generations of artists. El Greco's dramatic and expressive works, with their bold colors and elongated forms, offer a unique perspective on the spiritual and artistic currents of his time. Admire their iconic works up close. There's something profoundly moving about standing before these masterpieces, seeing the brushstrokes and textures that bring them to life. It's an experience that transcends the visual, connecting you to the artists and their creative journeys in a deeply personal way. The Reina Sofia Museum showcases modern and contemporary art. This dynamic institution is dedicated to the art of the 20th century and beyond, offering a vibrant contrast to the classical collections of the Prado. Here you'll find works that challenge conventions and push the boundaries of artistic expression. Picasso's masterpiece, Guernica, is a must-see. This monumental painting, created in response to the horrors of the Spanish Civil War, is one of the most powerful anti-war statements in the history of art. Its stark imagery and emotional intensity make it a centerpiece of the Reina Sofia's collection and a poignant reminder of the impact of conflict on humanity. Plan your visit in advance, as these museums are popular. With so much to see and experience, it's worth taking the time to plan your visit. Check the museum's websites for information on opening hours, ticket prices, and special exhibitions. Consider booking tickets in advance to avoid long lines, and take advantage of guided tours and audio guides to enhance your understanding of the artworks on display. Whether you're spending a few hours or an entire day, the Prado and the Reina Sofia offer an unforgettable journey through the world of art. Section 5. El Retiro Park, a tranquil oasis in the city. Nestled in the heart of Madrid, El Retiro Park is a sanctuary of calm and beauty, offering a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Escape the city buzz at El Retiro Park. As you step through the gates, you are immediately greeted by a sense of tranquility. The park's entrance is often bustling with visitors, yet it somehow maintains an air of serenity. The sounds of the city fade away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant laughter of children playing. This sprawling green oasis is Madrid's Central Park. Spanning over 125 hectares, El Retiro Park is a vast expanse of lush greenery, winding paths, and picturesque landscapes. From above, the park looks like a green jewel set amidst the urban sprawl, a testament to the city's commitment to preserving natural spaces. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply want to enjoy a quiet moment, El Retiro offers countless spots to sit and relax. Benches are strategically placed under the shade of ancient trees, providing the perfect vantage point to watch the world go by. Take a leisurely stroll along the tree-lined paths. The park's network of paths invites you to explore at your own pace. Each path is lined with towering trees, their branches forming a natural canopy that offers respite from the sun. As you walk, you'll encounter a variety of flora and fauna, each adding to the park's charm. Rent a rowboat and glide across the lake. One of the park's most popular attractions is its large, serene lake. Here you can rent a rowboat and spend a peaceful afternoon gliding across the water. The gentle motion of the boat, the sound of oars dipping into the water, and the sight of ducks swimming nearby create a truly idyllic experience. Visit the Crystal Palace, a stunning glass and iron structure. This architectural marvel, built in 1887, is one of the park's most iconic landmarks. The Crystal Palace, with its intricate iron framework and expansive glass walls, is a sight to behold. Inside, it often hosts art exhibitions and cultural events, adding a touch of sophistication to your visit. Enjoy a picnic on the grass. The park's expansive lawns are perfect for a leisurely picnic. Spread out a blanket, unpack your basket, and enjoy a meal surrounded by nature. Whether you're with family, friends, or simply enjoying some alone time, a picnic at El Retiro is a delightful way to spend an afternoon. El Retiro Park offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Beyond its main attractions, the park is filled with hidden gems and quiet corners. These serene spots are perfect for meditation, reading, or simply soaking in the beauty of your surroundings. In every season, El Retiro Park transforms, offering new sights and experiences, making it a place you'll want to return to again and again. Don't forget to subscribe to Urban Odysee for more videos. like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching.